And now to a big story we are following tonight. The murder of a 7-month-old baby is raising concerns about the San Francisco District Attorney's record on charging domestic violence cases.
That is because the baby's accused killer had previously been arrested twice on suspicion of domestic violence charges this year, but charges were never filed. KRON 4's Maureen Kelly reports.
According to police, the 7-month-old baby was pronounced dead after being brought here to the ER at CPMC's Van Ness Hospital, unresponsive with signs of trauma, by an adult male caregiver. Now murder charges have been filed against Joseph Jerome Williams. According to the DA, Williams had been arrested twice before on suspicion of felony domestic violence involving a woman who is not the baby's mother. But those charges were dropped in part because the woman told police she started the fights and did not want to prosecute, and evidence could not prove Williams was criminally responsible.
Intervention should have happened. That baby did not have to die.
Supervisor Catherine Stefani says she was already hearing concerns from domestic violence advocates about DA Chesa Boudin not filing charges in felony domestic violence cases. She got this data from the police chief that shows in the last quarter of 2020, of the 131 felony domestic violence cases,
The DA's office did not file charges in 113 of those cases, which was very shocking to me. It was very surprising.
She's introducing legislation Tuesday that would require law enforcement to provide monthly data on domestic violence cases.
We're not going to have criminal justice reform if people continue to commit crimes and they are not held accountable and they are not charged. If you let them go over and over again, they are going to reoffend and they are not going to get directed or into the services they need to make sure they're not stuck in the criminal justice system.
Williams is set to enter a plea in the death of the baby on Tuesday. The DA's office says they are not second-guessing their decision to drop the earlier cases against Williams. But in light of this tragedy, they will be reviewing all policies relating to charging domestic violence crimes. Maureen Kelly, KRON 4 News.